This video is going to show you how to do a really neat strategy with Google Documents, which is doing kind of a jigsaw activity, but doing it within Google Presentations really nice and easily. Alright, in the case of this exemplar lesson, the one that we're going to tackle and we're going to do is the one on Italy. But all these links work exactly the same as what you see here. And I'm going to go ahead and open up this Google presentation. Now, the idea behind this is to create a Google presentation that is kind of pre-made for students to take and fill in and research and report back to the whole group based on their research. It's a great strategy to do for all kinds of different areas. We're doing it here in social studies, but you can create things like this for parts of a story. You can do this for different ways of solving math problems. You can do all kinds of different content areas you can do with this same strategy. Alright, so what we're going to want to do is we're going to take this file, and since it's view only and you won't be able to use it, you want to go ahead and go to File and make a copy. And you can take off the copy of. Now this will put it in your own Google Documents. So now that you've got a copy of this file, now you can then share it out to your students. Now before I share it out with students, I want to think about, do I have multiple classes doing this activity? If I do have multiple classes doing this activity, you'll probably want to make a copy for each class. So if I've got first period, I'll just add first period on the back. And then after you've got that copied, you can go ahead and do second period, third period, fourth period, etc., etc. Alright, so now that I've got this copied, how does it work? Okay, so I've got this and it's already pre-made. And so it's ready for students to fill out. Now I just need to make sure that I share it with them. I'm going to come over here, click the share button. And here you can invite the students you want to share this out. Now you can either invite all the kids that are in that particular group, or you could, as an alternative strategy, you could pick a group leader and just share it to that one group leader. And then that one group leader could then share it out to their group, the members of their group. But one way or the other, they need to be shared to this document to be able to edit it. Now, once that's shared out to them, the kids have access to it and they can fill it in. I want to show you what an example of what it would look like filled in. So if I click over here, you can see this is the same template, except as an example of students that have filled it in. So they can add images, they can add their text, they can add their answer, they can add videos to their presentations, and they can answer all the questions that are posed to them. One thing I want to make sure I show you also is how to do research within Google Presentations. So for example, if I'm here and I'm talking about a political party in Italy, if I want to do research on this topic in any Google document, you can select the text that you want to research, and you can go to Research. This brings a box over here which gives you pictures that you can drag in. You can also search for videos, and also you can get your information here too. So if I want to bring up these links, it'll pop it in a new window and I can do my research right here within Google Docs. Alright, that is how to go ahead and share it out, and that's how kids can go ahead and fill out their research and make a jigsaw presentation. And this presentation, if you section it out, then it really won't take them long. They have something to report back to the group on.